Today I'm going to show you how to use the new Explore feature on Pinterest, a tool that helps you quickly and easily find fresh ideas, inspiration, and trending content that matches your interests. Whether you're planning a home makeover, looking for outfit ideas, recipes, or DIY projects, Explore can save you time and show you exactly what you're looking for. If you're in need of inspiration, this is the video for you. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Once it loads, find a pin you like. It can be anything, a photo of clothing, interior design, food, or any other type of content. In my case, I'll open a picture of a kitchen that caught my eye. Let's say I'm interested in finding similar kitchens, the same style, colors, or layout. This is exactly where the new Explore feature comes in handy. Look for the icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like a magnifying glass with a square. Tap on it. Now, select the part of the photo you're specifically interested in. Pinterest will automatically analyze that part of the image and show you pins below that are visually similar to the selected area. This is perfect if you're looking for ideas for a specific detail and don't want to scroll through hundreds of posts manually. Let's repeat the process. This time, I'll select a different part of the image. As you can see, Pinterest immediately recognizes the detail and shows similar examples, which means you can find inspiration quickly without too much searching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and helpful tips. Thanks for watching.